guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is very exciting because we're going to be battling two primers. We're gonna put them hand in hand. We're gonna see if they're anything alike. Today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. And then I'm also going to be comparing it to my Holy Grail Poreless Primer by Revlon. A lot of people have been comparing this primer to the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see this one in comparison with the Tatcha one and me doing like a wear test to see if we notice a difference or not. Anyways guys, before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video. I also have the e.l.f. 16-hour camo disaster if you would want to go check that video out. That being said, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so I already have moisturizer on. I have my e.l.f. Hello Hydration face cream that I love. And I also have a little bit of the Dr. Jart moisturizing toner on my skin. That is all that I have. I have nothing else. My Red Bull, we are ready to do this. Delicious, delicious. So as I mentioned in the intro, if you guys would want to see this very high demand primer in a battle with the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, which I know a lot of people are comparing those two, let me know in this video and I would be more than happy to do it. And then I can also do a wear test with the two primers if that's something that you guys would want to see. So basically today we are just going to be reviewing this one and kind of battling it with the pore one. So let's read what this is supposed to do. So you do get 0.74 ounces of product in here. This also does have a 5-star rating on the Ulta website. As per usual, it was in stock and now it is out of stock. So in less than like 30 minutes, y'all went ham on it. So basically it says, this perfecting poreless putty primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics creates smooth skin and preps it with squalane to moisturize and grip makeup for all day wear. It says the velvety texture glides on over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. It says to apply it 30 seconds before applying your foundation. So I guess you need to like let the product sit and sink in there for a minute. So this is it. You get a good amount of product. Kind of looks like a balm, as you guys can see, and it does look very similar to the Tatcha one. We're going to be battling it with this one. This one is the Revlon Pore Reducing Primer. I've been using this primer for, I want to say 2, if not 3 years now. Gone through like 2 of these. As you guys can see, it's my favorite primer. I suffer from large, intense pores. You guys already know. My entire cheek area is filled with large pores, and then my nose. So this is what the Revlon looks like. It's not too thick, but it's also not runny. It's like right in between. Can you guys see that? I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this here on this side of my face. And what I love about this one is that this one, you guys, just fills in my pores. It completely fills in my pores, like, oh, I love it. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but on this side, on my right side, I have no pores anymore, as you guys can see. And usually my right side is where I have really large pores, but as you guys can see, they're all filled in. You can't even see them. And then on this side, I don't know if you guys are able to tell right here, I have pretty accentuated pores. So that's how big my pores are. So on the left side, we're gonna go in with this one. This one almost feels way thicker than the Revlon one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, ooh, whoa. I don't even know like how much to apply. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some. This one isn't as easy to blend out the skin, and then this one is also leaving me like a white cast. Let me blend it out more. Definitely looking at my skin up close, you can still see my pores on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to zoom you guys in so you guys can see both sides. I still like this side better with my pore primer. I just feel like it filled in all of my pores, and then here I'm still able to see my pores. So I apply foundation and all of that jazz. We're gonna see if it actually makes a difference or not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation real quick. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC20. Alright guys, so the foundation is blended. There's not a major difference right now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, apply powder, and I feel like once I apply the powder, that's going to be the real test. I'm going to be able to see if this primer is worth it, or if I'll just stick to this one, or the difference and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I'll come back and give you guys my final update. So definitely I don't think that the Poreless Putty Primer does much to my pores. On the other hand though, I do feel like the Revlon one definitely works for pores. It's hands down one of my favorite primers. I stand by it. I know what it's gonna do, but on this side right here where I did not wear any concealer, I can definitely say that the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. is more smoothing on the skin. So it doesn't really fill in my pores how I would want it to. Like definitely this one does a much better job at filling in my pores, but this one does smooth out the skin, if that makes any sense. So this one pores, this one smooths. So that's the only difference that I find right now with the two. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you have already picked this up. With that said, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new here, and also don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like these kind of videos. To follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, because when I'm not here, I'm over there. You guys, a couple of videos here on the screen so you guys can check them out. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.